So we've got some ionosphere scale lightning here, I think. See if we can get some on video. This lightning is striking the ground about 40 miles away. And we saw some very, very bright signals here. But the storm is very, very far to the southwest. Which means we're seeing light here from an incredibly high altitude. Otherwise we wouldn't be able to see it. We don't hear any thunder here. This is what people commonly refer to as heat lightning. And there's only been one lightning strike, according to lightningmaps.org, within about a 20-mile radius here in the last few minutes. I can hear the slightest rumblings of thunder. The clouds overhead are kind of like not solid. And I just want to see if we can get any ultraviolet emissions here that we can't see with the naked eye. And the sky's actually clear enough that I can see stars now, so this may intensify. And I can actually see stars up there now, too. I don't know if you can see that or not, but I can see it's probably Saturn, I would say.